Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in to First Savings credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up a web browser to begin, and in the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in firstsavingscc.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the First Savings credit card account's homepage, which looks like this. Go to the Account Login tab at the top right hand corner and click it on. In the login area that appears on the next page, type in your username that is associated with a credit card account. Make sure to type in your information correct and head over to the password field and type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password or your username and you don't know what to do next, click on the forgot username/password link and you'll be instructed on how to look for your username or reset your password. If you've not registered online for First Savings credit card, you can click on this register new user link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click the login button in green, and that is how you'll be able to log into your First Savings credit card account on your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.